Hi guys, welcome to Hot Celebrity List, a channel where South African celebrity news is served hot and fresh. Youngins fans call for boycott. Youngins is a series playing on Showmax. It was recently announced that season 3 is coming out. The viewers were shocked to find out that popular influencers have joined the cast. One of the influencers is Tando Mokoena, who has famous parents. Her parents is Peltusi and Walter Mokoena. Next online is Ghost Hlubi. He is a YouTuber and a TikToker. He's well known for his prank videos. Next on the list is Tando. She's a famous TikToker with 2 million followers. She is known for her dance challenges and the fact that she's a high school dropout. The viewers are not pleased. They are threatening to boycott the show. They are saying that people from underprivileged background should be given an opportunity to showcase their talent, while others are happy to see their faves on their screens and congratulating them. Well, we live in the world of connections. It's no longer about what you can do, it's about who you know. Congratulations to them. Everyone deserves to showcase their talent, whether they are influencers or not. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like this video. What do you think of this cast? Do you think it's fair that influencers are getting acting roles instead of the real actors?